Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and primary storage drive assembly. Removal: disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from its connector on the hard disk drive. Important: make careful note of the positioning of the hard disk drive bracket on the hard disk drive. Remove the alignment pins on the hard disk drive bracket from the screw holes in the hard disk drive and remove. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag. Guide the alignment pins on the hard disk drive bracket into the screw holes in the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into its connector on the hard disk drive.